11 STEM students in Santa Lucia. So, the first question po is, what do you think are the advantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
One of the advantages is joining extracurricular activities is pagkakaroon natin na experiences kasi hindi natin ito magagamit nang hindi natin siya hindi natin siya nararanasan kasi sa extracurricular activities na sinalinan ko like dito hindi man kami nabibigyan ng bayad dahil sa pagiging student leader namin pero meron kami leadership sa aming
Number 2 naman po, what do you think are the disadvantages of participating in extracurricular activities?
One of the disadvantages naman na nag-sign ng student hindi tayo sanay sa pagtagawin sa mga may iwanan natin ng academics natin na point na may sira na yung grades na
What types of extracurricular activities are you involved in and why did you choose that?
I'm involved in student leadership here at our school because I really like to serve for our student service because pag nag-serve tayo sa mga students, hindi lang tayo nagiging masaya dito, pag nagiging masaya din tayo sa experiences na natin sa presentation.
Can you describe your responsibilities or roles that inline to your extracurricular activities?
Sa inline section, natin sa mga students kasi ako ay chairperson. So, ang gagawin ko is, kumbaga, ako yung mag-lead sa mga students sa private, but I'm not the pinaka-lead. Pero kumbaga ako yung role models ng ilan sa mga student namin. Yung gawain ng isang student namin. Kumbaga siya yung magiging model ng isang paaralan o ng ating pangkat. At
For the last question, what do you think is the effects of enjoying extracurricular activities?
enjoying
What do you think is the effects of enjoying extracurricular activities?
Answering this honestly, meron siyang positive and negative effects. Kasi as I said earlier, positive yun is nagkakaroon tayo ng mga experiences dito. Kaya talaga